Hello students, welcome back to my channel regarding decision science and statistics. In last part we have studied about the assignment problem for the minimization steps. Now today we are going to study the balanced and imbalanced problem. Here is the balanced problem. Check regarding the office DMKC, 3 persons are XYZ. Here we can see there are 3 rows and 4 columns. So we can identify that one row is missing. So if we check 3 rows and 4 columns, the problem is unbalanced. So here we can say that number of rows not equal to number of columns. So we need to balance this. Now how to balance it? Balance by adding a dummy row. Because one row is missing, so we need to add a dummy row which values would be 0. The cost of those matrix would be 0. Now we can say there are 4 rows and 4 columns. Now same problem can be solved by using our normal method, that is called Hungarian method. The first step of row subtraction. After performing the first step, that is a row subtraction, we get a new matrix. Clear? Now we can go for column subtraction, but as we can see in each column there is a 0, so there is no need to go for column subtraction. Next step is to draw lines. Now as you see, you can draw lines in that row which has maximum number of zeros. The row 4, that is dummy row, is there which is having maximum zeros, so we draw a line. Now is there any row which is a maximum 0? No. So we can go for column, yes, D. Now there is no line can be drawn as no zeros are available. Then we go for, as we can check, a number of lines is 2 and number of rows is 4, not equal. The solution is not optimum. That means we can go for improvement. How to go for improvement? Select the minimum number from the uncovered element, that is this. 400 is there, which is uncovered element. So subtract 400 from all the remaining elements. Now after subtraction we get a new matrix after the first improvement. Now again we can draw the lines. Now if you see the maximum row which has number of zeros is 3, that is x. X is having 3 zeros, so we can draw a line on x. We can draw a line on dummy. Again check any column has more zeros. No, so 2 zeros are there in column D. So here we make. Now can we count the number of lines? Yes, number of lines are 3. Number of rows are 4, so not equal. We can say that this solution is not optimum. Again we need to go for second improvement. Now from these remaining elements, which is the minimum value? It is 200. So subtract 200 from the uncovered elements and add it at the point of intersection. Now after performing the second improvement, you can see we are getting zeros. Now again we need to check and draw the lines. The first line would be drawn dummy column as at 3 zeros, then first row 2 zeros, column 2 zeros and 1 row. Yes, now we can say the number of lines is equal to 4, number of rows are 4, the solution is optimum. Now next step is to do assignment. Now for doing assignment, we take the newly formed matrix. Now check that row or that column which has only single zero. Now single zero is in which row? That is third row. So we mark it as square. Now cancel the corresponding zero. Cancel. Any single zero? Yes, this is the single zero. So mark it square. Cancel the zero. Now this is single zero. Mark it. Only this 0 is remaining, so we can say that x is assigned to M, y is assigned to C, z is assigned to D, dummy is assigned to K. Now we need to take the original values of the matrix and then find the final answer. Now this is the final answer as person X will go to Mumbai, person Y will go to Calcutta, person Z will go to Delhi and dummy will go to Kolkata. Now here we have seen the original matrix, we have taken the values. The final answer is rupees 4,600. That means to assign a proper person to proper office, we have assigned x to m, y to c, z to d. And by having overall assignments, we have the cost is 4,600. This is how we can solve the assignment problem which is unbalanced. Hope you have learned about balanced and unbalanced problem. Looking forward to you for the next videos regarding maximization problem, multiple option problems, transportation problems. Don't forget to press the bell icon and subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you for watching.